In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create internal links faster in Obsidian. Internal links are truly one of Obsidian's most powerful features, and learning to create them quickly will help you build connections between your notes and develop a much more organized knowledge base. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, make sure you have Obsidian launched and that you've opened the vault where you want to start linking your notes. Then, you'll want to open the specific note you're currently working on, or you can create a new one just for practice. Once your note is open, simply click where you want the internal link to appear, positioning your cursor right there within the text. To start creating a link, just type two opening square brackets like this. As soon as you do that, Obsidian will intelligently bring up a suggestion menu of your existing notes. Now, to find the note you want to link to, begin typing its name directly into the brackets. You'll see the list of matching suggestions update in real time, making it easy to spot what you're looking for. Once you see the note you want, you can use your arrow keys to highlight it from the list. Then, simply press Enter, and Obsidian will insert the link for you. What if you want to link to a note that doesn't exist yet? It's just as easy. Type the name of the new note you want to create inside the brackets, and when you press Enter, Obsidian will create a placeholder link for that new note. To actually create the new note, just click on the placeholder link you just made. Obsidian will then automatically create the new note for you. Another way to speed things up is to use autocomplete. Start typing just part of a note's title and let Obsidian suggest the rest. It's a great time saver for longer note titles. It's also a fantastic habit to create links as ideas appear, especially when you're taking notes. This way, you avoid having to go back later to connect them all. For more advanced linking, you can highlight any relevant text and then open the command palette. From there, you can search for Add Internal Link if that command is available in your setup. Now, let's talk about what you're linking. Always try to link related concepts together, connecting notes that share similar topics to build a stronger web of ideas. You can also create links from keywords. Just highlight an important term and convert it into a link to a related note. To make all of this even easier, use consistent note names. Keep your titles descriptive so they're simple to find in the suggestion menus. This is especially helpful for linking to project notes, connecting your task lists directly to your main project dashboards. Similarly, you can link meeting notes from your project documents to create a really connected information network. After you've created a link, it's a good practice to review your backlinks. Open the note you linked to and check the backlinks panel. This will show you all the notes that are pointing to it. You can also use the quick switcher to locate notes quickly before you even start creating links. Ultimately, the key is to build linking habits. Try to add links whenever you reference another note. This continuous effort will strengthen your vault structure over time, and before you know it, you'll have created a truly connected knowledge base, making your information much easier to discover through Obsidian's powerful network of connections. Thanks for watching.